Population for that side, so from Kombi Quarter, now for inside Douala 3, country people them. How's the day where they don't chakara? They say roads a one pass for them. We go talk that palabam. We go take una to go for that side, so for General Express, there are place where they be used for park. How they place there after Minister for Transport, he talks they give them 3 months suspend. We go try for talk that one this afternoon. So for inside Tori for this afternoon. Person where he talks say one be for vote for 2018. Big lawyer man where they call it say a Keremuna. He be there for Equinox Story House here. We go talk all about Iwaka. We be talk to for he go try for tell him waiting again for be for inside this palava for vote. For that side for Kenya for president vote, Sabi say even as we Raila Odinga, 89 say no go be for vote for president. Votes according to Tori the enter we hear, it is happen. Now with one person where they call it say Uhuru Kenyatta. All the Tori then so where Equinox Story people they get, plus the one where newspaper come be then to the right and to them, we go turn back for them for talk and so country people then. Big part up for this afternoon, he talks everything. He said no matter how many times where teeth a bite tongue, they go so remain now for inside one house. And that house now waiting, now you're more. I say no matter how many times where teeth a bite your tongue, they go so remain for inside one house. That house na more. Now a jam divine for inside Douala here for Bonabedi side is send with big part of for this afternoon. And they come back small time. Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad again for meet up now for this chapter 2 for Tori for Equinox Tori House. Tori for this afternoon we go take una go for that side for Kombi Quarter, country people them. Kombi Quarter, it then for inside Douala 3 as well take Sabi. Roads, it must pass, and for road for pass, they must to Chakara place them. Now for that side so from Kombi, country people them, where it is so moto, it don't the Chakara people their house them, they say they want open roads for inside that quarter. And for say make the road a pass, all houses where they no respect, place where they get for B. Moto, it don't come, a Chakara, all the house them, for say make they do waiting, for say make roads, it take pass. And Tori where they enter with ESSF, that Tori build the way they see and so, that house where it carry one or two one. Now just for corner the way, mayor for Douala 3 where they call it say job trophy quadrant SSF, it stay. So the talk say road, it must to pass. And for Sika say road, it must to pass. People the way they never respect commandeer, say they get for commot for some kind place before they make their house, where they don't the thief land, governor land, for say they want make house. One time, Caterpillar don't pass a day, he tell them say country people, una must to come out. One day where they don't check out their house and so they talk so, they don't already start carrying and they're waiting. Carry how where they see how where they go push all the block them where they don't broke them and all the things that they don't come out for see how where they go arrange them. As well take talk now for Palava road for Sika say road a one pass for the place now why that way they don't chakara the place. But that's why they don't chakara people their house where the place say for true roads it go pass. For Sika say sometimes they be where they go chakara house roads it no ever can pass a day. So with the talk. Say as well they don't chakara people their house and so where they say now road it one pass. True, make the road it pass. They no chakara people their house left and so where road it no pass. Now our own talk that way we get for talk. We take una go for General Express. Yes. We know they make any palava General Express voyage. Now their place this way they should done for the Panda side they country people them. Sabi say Minister for Transport Edgar Aleme Bengo. He give them 3 months suspend. So we go for them for go see whether for true. They did respect the commandeer or they need the respect. And for true, they don't respect commandeer for Minister for Palava Transport. For Sika say, accident for General Express, it don't turn another kind. Now guard them, they don't lock gate. No man in no day for inside. Okada people they say they can't say me they can't see where they happen country people them. Yes, they can't see where they happen. And for plenty Okada people they talk say thing where Minister for Transport to do. Now correcting. They say now correcting. For Sika waiting. For Sika say the motor don't make plenty accident. inside 10 moon around 50 accident for one motor. Plenty people that they don't die. Sabi say this one way come also now after where they make another accident for Sombo and Bumiebe side where he kill 15 people. So driver for the motor says we hear say he no go drive motor for 1 year. But we hope say as well they seize a book, he no go for different company, go drive, if he make high height, then they no go control. So they don't seize driver his own book for 1 year. It means say 12 moon. He no go touch any motor is starting. Then General says 3 moon. After 3 moon, he go start for work again. So now so it means say people there for General Express, they dey for by force pension. And the by force pension na 3 moon pension. Yes, 3 moon. No salary for no man. No workman no go get salary. Or except they go give them salary for sick asylum na their fault. Yes, they need for the pay their salary. So by force pension, all man go the rest for us, but small money, we must pass. Tori for other sides, Oga Akeremuna, international lawyer man, he be there for inside Tori house. See, no? He be the salute all Tori people them. Tori people they be there for welcome. Hey, Julie give some small sweet kiss. Voila, correct. So he be there for inside Tori house here for so talk palaver. He votes. Sabi say this palaver for vote country people. Na thing wey Akeremuna don't talk say na people they go take it. No be na any person go talk say na people they go vote for ye and na ngomna when ngomna way na so people they will be for corner. So he be there for Equinox Story House today for see wait way if he take pass so country people them for see as we country in the past and he be start now for Tori House for radio now for the way start for talk country people them and after we finish talk country people them he come up for outside he be there na other kind. Now so, after Akeremuna don't finish talk for Tori House here, outside, make we see what will happen. When I see population of all that people then so, all that Okada people them, they be the wait now Oga Akeremuna for that way. Yes, they be the wait Oga Akeremuna for that say make it calm down. Okada people they be there plenty for talk for you say calm good. Say now you we don't choose and like we own person. Now you we don't choose a like person way if you make we life a change. Population be come out. All man be standing for outside. All man they want see this man way he don't talk say na him he want be president for inside country. Sabi say votes in the come now for 2018 and Tori House here he be there na other kind. Moto no be the pass. Time where Papa he come out for outside. Time where Oga Akeremuna come out for outside. Oh, population he no be one living. I say population no be one living. All man be one take photo. All man he be one take selfie. All man he be one take na video. All man he be there for see as well they fit take photo with Papa Akeremuna. As well they be the call am for outside. So Akeremuna become he don't talk for all the people they say waiting. May they put their name for vote. And when they finish put their name for vote, when they vote, may they wait so they count their vote. Say na the only thing that way they ask them. So now so it take pass this morning time so for just for Victoria House here as we big lawyer man Akeremuna he come for this side so for can talk this palaver for campaign for 2018 vote for president. We don't talk say any correct president we get for B. Small time is say I get for go for it to decide the popoto he go try for talk pidgin so that he go talk for population for outside. So we ask Oga Akeremuna make it tell we this palaver vote now wait tell we talk.
We want to tell people that say may they wake up. We join hand together. We take the country back. They don't take the country, we don't suffer. Next year we will take the country back together. Now people that will take country, we will vote. 3 things for do. Register, vote, and you turn watchman for your vote. If you put 1 vote, you go stand up there so take your vote, they count up. 3 things. You register, you vote, and you watch for your vote. Simple. For 2018, we take the country back. You go take them, me I will take them, we will work together.
Yes. Na Papa Akeremuna, international lawyer man, he be there for inside Tori House here. But before we leave you go, we be asking, he be the talk say people the way they get to 200, may they give small contribute so that this palaver vote he go work a fine. So what do you mean by that to 200? Oga Akeremuna, tell me again.
Because that the only way you want to show so you want to take your country back is you want to take taxi, you take them for free. No. 200, you send them. 400, you send them. We put all things so that for every place, people, they would have head up other people, then may they join hand with vote.
Yes. Oga Keremuna ebideye and for true una don hear na guy wey if he be for up that side I hope say no go forget pidgin. Yes. Now we be talk with another person for outside. Sabi say Okada people dey be there the morning time plenty. We will ask them say waiting they come do for we before Tori house. Waiting take them come for day. Make we hear the Okada man talk.
Mr. Ambassador, my mission for here now because I don't hear say Papa Akeremuna is there for Ekinos. And I hope say now the opposition leader where they now so where we will check say go bring we change for this country. Now the opposition leader where we check say now so for this country we go get power and we go get equal right for our country. We not get for fight for team where na lie. We the fight for team where it be na true. So as how we there for here we check say Papa Akeremuna how we there for here now so now ye go bring justice for this country. Now he go bring unity for this country. Any Anglophone man where they talk say Papa Akeremuna at the wrong time for you for put his own candidate president for Cameroon. That man don't lie. Now the time is because they say that the bend iron time where it is still hot. You know if you bend iron where it don't cool. Because if you want bend your own iron at time where it don't cool, you lie yourself. So as from today, Papa Akeremuna now he be the future president for this our country. Because we need justice, we need equal right. And I hope that Papa Akeremuna no be that kind Papa where he go look to Pikin. He said the Pikin no be na so, the Pikin no be na so. Papa Akeremuna na Papa for Pikin them because he own Papa be na Papa for all Pikin them. Now why that I like Papa Akeremuna now why that we there for you back for year. We the way say me Papa Akeremuna there till he go be for president we there for you back. Sunshine, rainfall, I die, I will, I there for Papa Akeremuna back. Mr.
So now one Okada man that, but how the thing it be there for outside this morning time, last thing for inside this palava for Akeremuna, make we see.
Akeremuna for presidency 2022 Akeremuna for duty 2022.
Yes, Naduala that Tori House Equinox this early morning time as we big lawyer Akeremuna he become for council so talk for Palava for vote for 2018 president. Percy way go she done for inside house for A2D. We go come up for that chapter now, so we enter for another chapter. We turn back for this Palava for roads. We go also turn back for Konsamba side him. Now road this way, it be first small, it be just been a small footpath, place with only foot, it be take pass. But now so population for this village on Konsamba so the talk. They declare plenty say council people them for that side they don't member them so they don't send caterpillar for car open them the roads. Apart from say they open roads, they don't put ground way if they so they get for cover the whole place, so that when rain it fall poto it no go be for they plenty. So this one now for help all the village people them where they don't go for farm. Same when they return back for farm, they feel see how way they feel carry their attend the way they plant them, na planty, na cocoa, or na even banga, anything where they plant away no be ever be easy for them where they feel carry and come. Now so Okada too in the past, Moto Sese in the past, even cassava where they plant they feel carry and now so they come for place where Moto Sese if it on so can carry and so they the time big plenty, they the time council where they so they don't remember them. But Sabi say as well they don't start do so with the hope. Say no na palava for talk say vote for 2018. When we talk with one farmer man, a glad plenty. Make we hear.
Glad because since year by year when they tell me say they go fish the route, they don't come to surprise we this time. And all we were there for this route, we don't get thank you for the mass away you know me Marie for sending me the fish the route. I thank you all big people where they there for feed you because now route don't begin be easy. For go finish, we go count your commission because all we on thing where we be work for farm, banana there for farm, while we for carry I'm no day, plenty all team Mbanga. We don't see Mbanga. We don't carry him now. Mbanga we don't cut him so. I don't leave him for bush. It don't make 1 week. We don't put him for kwa. Now that I don't go carry him now because we don't find. That's so. That means say I think.
Yes. Now, farmer mandates inside Douala here. We turn back for this Palava Wakam for Douala 3DO. We don't talk say Nuhu Bello. Now he be the divisional officer for Douala 3. He make waka for some places the way they under he control. Nuhu Bello, he be Tonton. He be there for Peka 14, so they land for that side for Peka 25. He be there now how for see how the population then they stay and waiting he worry these people the way they under he control. But Sabi say as way they can take it, they see and say road work, he remain like say caterpillar, he open road them for that side so for inside Peka as 14, so they land for that side for Peka 25. Sabi say now one of the problem then this where they give them for the new divisional officer where they drop put it for CM for inside Douala 3. So all the chief them they become weight Oga DO now for boundary between Nkam and Wuri division. After DO a tonton waka from one place to another for here waiting be the problem for the people them. Palava land it be day, Palava lights it be day, Palava for roads it be day, Palava water it day. And the other one too where they talk na palava for which way it dey plenty way some people they know one another people they for go for before they use na their wish. But you don't talk say any man where they cash out with the wish they go lock and two for inside gata. So which man he get for sabi say now so they go cash lock and from gata. He go remain from gata for continue for do he wish as way he sabi for do and fine. We be talk with the one elite for inside this work away do make we hear you.
Preferons pass for all for these 3 places from for Vincent. Can't refer. Anyone don't cry, and I don't answer. We some they don't cry for scope say you don't grab for the encounter. They can't reach for you, and I jet for you. They don't get family that care. Start all people autotone. Don't take them like their friend. So that someone don't answer say, oh, don't take it like their friend. They don't take it like a friend. But the worry sometimes they bring some people where you don't know mark them. They want to ask them. They say no ask them, you'll be commissaire. So that sous-préfet and a commandant de recherche, commandant de brigade de recherche and a commandant for l'obsort aussi. No worry you asking. Mais il for corner. If you see someone they can't worry you, please corner there for inside problem. Work easy. Can't someone down people them. So that we will take them for hold them. And for Papa you don't talk say no, we don't sell all ground. But so remember we family tomorrow. We get Pekin, we get plenty people. After we send all, we take money, go play live for Douala. We come back for the town. We grown all day. We will be in a waiting. We will be in a people. We will be in sorcier. We will keep people then. So that it is pre we say everyone say grown said. Then we let someone one way. It will let we Pekin them, my friend.
Yes, now one person that way he did so na elite for inside one of the Pekadem with divisional officer for Douala 3, Nuhu Bello, he be take tonton for insights. Last story come up for outside country people them, that side for Kenya, now today we normal vote for new president, again for the happen and vote it happen for time where opposition man where they call it say Raila Odinga. He don't deny say him, he no go for vote. For Sika waiting, for Sika say team we don't talk say me they change them. For inside law, they never change and so they now. So Raila Odinga, he don't talk say he no go be for vote. Sabi say before the vote say what happened to them, big people them for commission for vote, election committee, them say they don't run enter for Sosongo. For Sika say waiting, someone the day they don't frighten them, other one them, the day they shoot them with the gun, so they take run. So just now the vote already happened for Kenya side. A concern that the current president, Persuade Shidon for CM, where they call it say Uhuru Kenyatta, he began for meeting with Raila Odinga, but Odinga, he don't talk say he no like Ipacha, and until they stand out straight, him, he no go be like a president, and he no go enter for this palava for vote. So now palava for wait and see whether commission for vote for Kenya side, he go give all power for the president where they for chair now, Raila or Uhuru Kenyatta, or the votes they go also remain cancelled. So na palava for cross your hand, you wait for see what go happen for that side for Kenya. Now tori dem that where Equinox tori people them they take gather waiting tori people them for newspaper to they talk to them. The guy the post weekend for this morning time, he talks say after we Southwest Chief Conference, he talks say some law the day where university people they use and when they need to take Anglophone picking them for inside university. They say university people then just now they don't change that law them. So for example, picking the way they be get for rights or they be get for pass English for O level before they seek for admission for university for Boya just now. They don't talk say they feel social register. Then they go she don't write exam university for Boya. It go give them for Palava English. So just now after we Southwest Chief Conference put the talk. Rule for university for Amit, it don't change for this year. So for inside the post weekend, they talk away. DO for Noni, he help people there for that side for Noni way. B people there, they don't touch them. Tori too, he talks B people them, they won't worry people there, they market sites. So DO, he come up for content and say, may they stop that kind of thing them. So for inside the post weekend, they try for tell we say pressure, fire. It dey for under waiting, fire it dey for under the new person, fire dey for under the new person, fire it dey for president for a back council for say make call general assembly meeting. Now for Sika waiting, palava for Northwest and Southwest. We go take una now so go for the guidance post for this morning time. Guidance post for this morning time, he try for talk say waiting. He talk say BBC, he be talk with Agbobala, and one of the things that way Agbobala talk, he talk say he want to say make Cameroon is still remain one, and make no man he no divide them. Bet he want to say make picking them, they turn back for school. If you want to be more of that story, you enter for buy that story. Now so to the tell we say palava for vote for 2018. Olivier Billet says he don't promise everything. If they put it like a big man president for country for 2018, he go look out country now with fear for Papa God. Now so Olivier Billet talk, I saw he meet up with Toli people them yesterday. Then they try for talk to say everything. Issa Churuma, he don't use mop for talk with this international crisis group people them. Guidance post he dey go buy your own for it. Another story for this afternoon, Nouvelle Expression. Edi talk say waiting. Edi ask na. Edi talk say team way Philomonian he bring them for Popo. Yes, team way Philomonian he bring them for Popo. So they talk say after all the meeting there for Northwest and Southwest, waiting Philomonian don't carry and go give them for Popo. Now only time with them two they go sit down for meeting. They go sabi waiting way he dey so he dey for inside Philomonian he back as so he be go for peace talk. It's people them for Northwest and Southwest. We talk another newspaper for this afternoon. Mutation. Mutation he talks everything. This palava where people they stay for place where they no get for Shidon. Like a place where petrol station is there. Place where gas company is there. Place where some kind of company they dey way e no correct for population them. They say that one now for Shidon for place where your life is no secure. So Mutation he talks a law e dey way they so they get for look at this palava. Another Tory newspaper will enter for this afternoon, Cameroon Tribune. Waiting Cameroon Tribune, he talk. They say they don't give Popo invite. Say make it come for Jamina Chad for some extraordinary ndongamen for Semak. Say this invite na president for Chad, where they call it say Idris Deby Igno. He send his own minister, say make he can't give him for Popo. Say make Popo he come for that ndongamen. So for Cameroon to be this morning time or today, he talks everything. Say minister for sick people. He don't write 3,000 name them for school them when they train doctor nurse them where them they do an backdoor. So small time they go start lock them. Poku newspaper for this afternoon where they call and say Popoli. He talks everything. Palava Northwest and Southwest. Issa Churuma, he don't take big stick. Mwang! He not come from top international crisis group they hate. Then he talks everything. I go see Percy where he don't did you on a visa for can enter for country for can divide the country. How he go manage you on a visa again? Sabi say Issa Churuma Bakari they get Tory with Tory people them. He never overstay. For talk say all team with international crisis group he don't talk. Now big pom. So now the Tory then that's where we come be them for inside newspaper they take talk today. So we na Thursday. Now so make we enter for another chapter for this story. Palava for loss. We get Pikiwe he don't lost this afternoon. Make we show now the photo in the picking that This pikin name, they calling a Foyette Justine Law. He get 28 years. They say this pikin is sense, he no stand up straight. Now me say head, he no stand up straight. They say he dey talk small. Yes, he dey talk small. They say this pikin, he as well don't talk, he come up for their house where they call him for place where they call and say born blank for dog passy tomb. That way be come up for day, he be wear some small tricot way he get red color and some small trousers. And they say this pikin, he be wear slippers. That way he be come up for house. So they beg any person way he see this pikin, make it try for bring it for Equinox at Tori House. Tiny number 9 down at the sea and so for before television 654-263-623 652 not 8 3 and not 7. We take unto as we come for French. La famille Silienou Nuhu David annonce la disparition de leur fille âgée de 28 ans, la nommée Foyette Justine Law. Elle ne jouit pas de toutes ses facultés mentales et elle a les difficultés d'exprimer oralement. Au moment de son départ de la domicile familiale au carrefour Bon Blanc à Dongpassi 2, elle était vêtue d'une tricot rouge, d'une pantalon gris et portait des babouches blanches aux pieds. Numéro de contact 654 626 36 23 652 00 8307. So now so we take the country for this afternoon. Country people then we want to say big good afternoon for all people there they sit down, they would look in, and people there they for table now for tell and say bon appetit. We thank plenty all people there they join hand for say make Tori for this afternoon. Iwaka fine. On out.